And race on. Flare bottoms from the outside. Fear no Haidanori inside. Power Gear running by the rallies Caloocan Joy. Tricky Charlie's racing Pip. And on the outside is Yahoo. And moving up is Panamera. Third last is entry number 8. Rather Stellar Ace, Dugus Charm, and Solar Power. And nearing the far turn, Caloocan Joy, Flare Bottoms, and Power Gear racing in third by Sam 4 lengths. Fear No Hide down on the inside forward. Rounding the far turn, Caloocan Joy, Flare Bottoms from the outside. Power Gear racing in third by Sam Tilines, Fear No Hide, Panamera. As they race the final corner, Caloocan Joy, mile and a half. Flare Bottoms from the outside. Panamera on the further outside is Power Gear in the middle, Fear No Height. And nearing the finish line, Caloocan Joy. This time by some 4 lengths, followed by Flare Bottoms. Panamera is racing in third. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, Caloocan Joy. Flare Bottoms, Panamera, Power Gear, Tricky Charlie's, Yahoo, Solar Power, Dugus Charm, Fear No Height, and Stellar Race comes last.